Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add YouTube videos in Canva. So when you're in the home page, go to Discover Apps and you are going to select I think it is in Discover Content. Select YouTube and select either use an existing design or use a new design. I'm just going to do the use an existing design, and I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm just going to wait for it to kind of load. It may take a couple of minutes, and then you're just going to select use, and you're going to find the YouTube videos that you want to add. So just drag it and add it to your your kind of canvas, and that's it. I'm just going to change the kind of background. If this will load, it might take a while. I'm just going to add this for the background, and then I'm just going to add this in. And that's pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!